1965 Ford F100 pickup. Here at Unique, especially in classics. And you can see a little street rod action going on in this one. Short box step side, custom flame paint. Underneath the hood, 429 V8 power. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped, also power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the front grille, headlights, surrounds, chrome on the bumper. Looking good up front. I did notice there's a couple little spots. I don't know if you can get it to see it in the video here. A little bit of crack in the paint. Just two little spots right up there in the hood. But you can see overall paint shows well. Kind of a crimson red, black two-tone with the flame going on in gray. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on a set of polished aluminum Boyd's wheels. Great look. Running boards, I guess, if you will, just a one step. And of course, the step side bed. In the still pictures, take a look. The side glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the darkness of the window tint you can have. It's nothing too crazy. Custom interior on this too, and we're going to get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer. But as you can see, bucket seats, center console, and again, AC blows cold. Heat works as well. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and look at more of the modern rear end on this truck. That dual exhaust, kind of cut into the roll pan. You'll be able to see the inside of the box in the still pictures. Obviously, it has a hard tonneau cover on it also. Fits nicely. Good look. How fun would this car be, or truck I should say, for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let's slip around to the driver's side, take a look at the condition of this. If you're into these street rods or old trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. And once again, you can call us 507-386-1726. All the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. When the videos are uploaded on these to YouTube, these vehicles are available to purchase either online or off our showroom floor if you can see us in person. As you can see, shaved door handles, which means we have a key fob with a popper, so we're going to use that to open the door. We also have a Frenched in radio antenna that's power that will come up. Underneath the cab, right down in this area, kind of right behind here, there is an external popper for the driver's side door. Now, I need to grab the keychain for this, which I have on a shelf behind me. All right, here we go. So, see if I can show you this right here. Key fob. Right here, button number 1 on the left. We're gonna push it. Pops the door open, and we're opening it very easily. If you want to reach in, I could have done that with the door handle also, but I wanted to show you that the key fobs do work. One thing I want to mention, this does have power windows. If you're sitting in the seat with the door open and you try to roll up the window and all of a sudden you think, uh-oh, it doesn't work. Door has to be closed. There's your connections for the power windows. Something for future reference, possibly for the next owner. As you can see, custom pedestal for the bucket seats. Seat belts intact. Tilt column. Boyd's steering wheel as well. Does have Stewart Warner gauges. All right, let me get this key fob ready because we're going to fire this up, let you hear it run. If you stick around to the very end of this video, you'll be able to go for a ride with us, I guess a virtual ride, if you will. We're going to show you how this car goes down the road. All right. I'll turn this on a second. Couple things I want to show you before I start it, just so it's easier to hear me. Pioneer stereo system down here. That is working. I'll turn that up so you can hear it. But we need to raise the antenna first, which we have this custom control panel within the center console. So if we push, there we go. This is down, this is up, for that power antenna. Let's come back to the radio, turn it up a little bit. We're going to have better reception.
Does make the best milk. I know you're thinking.
So stereo system working. I'll turn that down a second. So power window switches, headlights. That will also turn on. A couple other lights. You can see up front, headlights. And then these are your blower fan switches, temp controls, and of course, like I said, that power antenna. Back here, there's a Pioneer CD changer. So, custom controls in the center console. A couple things underneath the dash. Right here, we have a popper for the passenger door. So somebody wants to go for a ride with you, you're picking them up, pop that. It's going to open the door for them. There's a button that looks just like it on the other side of the column. That is for the horn itself. So, the horn also works. Cool looking dash. Fuel gauge working. Voltmeter. RPMs may be a little bit off there, I would just have to say. That's a little higher than this is. Idling, temp gauge, and oil pressure. And oil pressure may be up a little higher than normal also. So there is your gauge cluster, your interior, painted dash to match. Headliner matches the door cards or door panels. A nicely street routed truck. Now we can see that antenna up. Look at that. 429 V8 power. There's that rumble. Speaking of which, let's go take a look at it. I'm going to pause this a second so I can get the hood open, and let's check out this engine bay. Remember to stick around to the very end too. We're going to take it for a drive. Underside of the hood, finished off as nicely as the exterior, and there it is. At 429, again, power steering, power brakes, AC blowing cold, Edelbrock 4-barrel carb sitting on that polished intake manifold. Polished valve covers. Love those exhaust manifolds. What a great looking engine bay. Cool looking truck. Like I said, go to your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. You're probably not going to come across another one too similar to yours. 1965 Ford F100. Street rotted. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a beautiful 1965 Ford pickup with custom paint, red and black, custom interior. We got a Boyd steering wheel, Stewart Warner gauges, and they are all vintage looking and they work well. Automatic on the homemade custom console. Pioneer stereo in that console. And that is working well. Turn signal indicators working. Very nice paint. First thing that caught my eye on this truck. Great rumble too to that exhaust. Custom fabric with kind of a flame wing design, awesome on the headliner. In the center console, we've got switches for the windows, a CD changer, wiper switches, HVAC switches, and more. Shaved door handles and door poppers. You can also pop the doors with the key fob. Our battery's charging almost 14 volts. The fuel tank is showing almost full. Tachometer working well. Speedometer also showing 50 miles an hour right now. Water temperature about 180. And the oil pressure. Oil pressure is 75. Nice and high, which is a good thing. AC blowing ice cold right now. A beautiful thing on a warm day here in Minnesota. Corners very nicely. Power steering is excellent. This truck doesn't lean much in the corners at all. Nice high seats for great visibility. Nothing to complain about in this truck. It is very nice. Take a look at all the pictures and learn all the details of this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.